Jody 43, this is where you wanna be. Everything from eating food to a little poetry. It might be serious, it might be comedy. After you watch, just subscribe to me. Double tap that button, like that post. Giving out game, you should take notes. Jody 43, put that in quotes. Jody 43, put that in quotes. I'm at the steakhouse. I think that's the name of it, steakhouse. It's popping up here, boy. When I mean busy, I mean busy. Like, I wanna, you know what I mean, take a video or whatever, but people eating, you know, be like that. It's crazy up in here, it's popping. It's packed. My first time ever eating Brussels sprouts. It's actually good. First time. Kind of don't like the aftertaste, but still good. It was, but it was fun.
Just to get the thing.
That in here look like a padded area. Yo. Get off the elevator.
Just record. You can always do voiceover. Never random hallway.
Word.
Okay.
Oh God, it's shaking. Oh gosh. Scary.
Social voting.
I'm at my favorite place, y'all. One of my favorite places, y'all. David Buster's. You already know I'm at one of my favorite places. About to get it popping, get these games. I already won some from here because I'm always here. Let's go. See how much stuff I can win. That's right, 1,000, baby. That's how I do.
Bass fishing out there, a little tough to maneuver the boat around though late in the afternoon with those elbow currents. But once he got settled in there, he catch some good bass right in that area.
Get that 1,000, baby.
Boy, that thing's still pumping out the tickets there.
That's right, still going, still going. You gotta get up to that right there. This right here, baby. You see the line? Oh, I got the first game. I'm thinking of getting all the games. I ain't gonna give her no games. No games at all. Watch. I'm gonna have her quit. Watch. Just subscribe to me, double tap that button, like that post, giving out game, you should take notes. Jody 43, put that in quotes. Jody 43, put that in quotes.